Hello everyone, we are the representatives of Avalon Hotel. Today we are going to analyze our financial report of Q1 in year 2. Firstly, let's talk about the revenue part. From this chart, we can see that our revenue in Q1 in year 2 is a little bit lower than the last seasons, but compared to the same periods of last year, we increased a little bit. I think there are two reasons for this, and the first one is that we opened a theme restaurant, so I think we have a higher food and beverage revenue than the previous month. And secondly, our ADR increased, so I think this is also a very important reason. And in addition, our occupancy increased as well. Then let's come to the occupancy part. The chart shows that the first quarter of year 1, our occupancy is about 53%, and the first quarter of year 2, our occupancy is around 50%. It increased nearly 2%. We think this is due to the advertisement. We invest approximately 7 times of money in advertisement in the Q1 of year 2 than the same period of last year. It's also a good news that our marketing share increased as well. From the graph, we can see that the Q1 in year 2, our marketing share is 19.1%, and the Q2 in year 1, our marketing share is 19.7%, and our first seasons in year 2, the marketing share is 19.8%, and I think this is due to the marketing environment, and there are a lot of factors for this. For example, we do much better in our marketing and advertising parts. We invest more money into it, and secondly, compared to other hotels, maybe our room price is very affordable. Then let's see 3 important indicators which reflect our hotel's profitabilities. Firstly, the GOP compared to the same period of last year. Our year-to-date GOP decreased by almost 5%, and the pre-tax profit by 2%, and the ROE decreased by 0.2%. Actually, we are a little bit surprised at the result because, as mentioned before, our revenue and occupancy increased, but our profitability is lower than before. When we take a close watch at our financial report, we find that there are 2 reasons. Firstly, the food and beverage cost of sales increased a lot, from 12.8% to 16.4%. The second reason is our investment in advertising increased a lot. In this graph, we can see the advertisement cost of sales increased from 1.7% to 7.2%. It's quite a lot. The next quarter, we will try to decrease food and beverage cost of sales to test the customer's feedback and also to save our profit. We will cautiously decrease the ratio by only 1%. In addition, we will make a new strategy for our advertisement. Before, we focus too much on two kinds of premium rooms, leisure premium and business premium. But we didn't get a good return. For the next quarter, we will take some money from premium rooms to promoting our large group, small group package, and tour rooms. We hope it can work well. Okay, now let's see our projection for next quarter. Here is our projection for the next quarter. According to the results of the first quarter in year 2, we are willing to achieve these goals below. Firstly, for the revenue, we wish that we can achieve about $3,300,000, and we wish our occupancy can get 58%, and for the market share part, we are willing to do at least 20%, and we hope to get around 28% for our GOP, and the last one for the ROE part, we hope that we can increase from 0.5% to 0.6%. And that's it. Thank you for your attention.